to -3, and it's still coming in pretty hot. It's not going into the red at least. And I've got the microphone way down low. Oh, there's going into the red again. So this Luna Ultra is turning out to be an extremely hot mic. Let me try putting this up there. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So I've situated the mic way up high there, and it's going into the yellow, but not the red at least. Test! Test! Maybe that's what I'll have to do, I guess. I have to set it way far away from me. Makes the external mic almost pointless. This Luna Ultra is coming in pretty hot. Let me try nighttime pure recording. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this one and restart. Okay, so that is in pure now, night mode. And as can be seen, let me restart face tracking using the Fibonacci rules. Now it should be tracking me, more or less. What I have facing me is, should I purchase a two-year plan? Pricey at $800 and some. So they offer these flexi-cares. Here it is, flexi-care for Luna. 1 year is $43. 2 years is $72. Bit pricey, but one of the issues here is that I got qualified for a coupon, $10 off, but it won't let me use it because I inadvertently signed in under a. So as a result, it's not letting me use my $10 coupon. So I lose $10 off of that. I went to the trouble of getting a coupon and signing up for it, and I can't use it. Insta360 subscription 10 off. New subscribers only, because I am not new. None of these coupons are going to work. It's going to be like $77.21 for 2 years. Should I get it? Is the question. The advantage is peace of mind. 77, that's like $36 a year. $36 a year is peace of mind. That doesn't cover burglary or loss. It's probably worth the trouble. $77.21 spent. I have spent the money now. So I bought the 2-year plan for this Insta360. Signing out for now. Time is 8:55 p.m. on Saturday, June 13, 2026. So today is the 14th of June, 2026, 3 p.m. It's a Sunday. Home alone. Quick pizza, meaning I have proved some dough. As you can see, this daddy yeast is extremely vigorous. It'll be more than adequate. I need to get out my equipment. A waste of time. Stove hook. Exactitude is not critical. That's a good 4 cups right there. That's a good heaping. 2 more teaspoons. Expensive, but if you don't use it up. I had about that much, almost a tablespoon. Put that back in the freezer. Freezing thing for like supposedly 3 to 5 years. That thing 3 years old. Fahrenheit water. It's like 115 or less Fahrenheit water. Much warmer than it's exactly 115. So let's begin with 9 grams of salt. This was gonna put a little. Down the barrel. (3:32), 14th of June, Sunday, and we'll see when it doubles. Sauce making. It's 5:25. Making sauce. First tomatoes. Time 5:37 p.m. It's 6:20 time to 133 Fahrenheit. 541 surface. Time to taste the sauce. Good enough. The only toppings we have: jalapenos, feta cheese, stuffed olives. For 5 minutes. Next one.
There's a timer with 2 minutes and 37 seconds left.
First pizza. First pizza. Second pizza. Second pizza going in.
5 minutes. Counting down.
Third one. The timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Counting down.
20.
Okay, I'm just putting a fan in.
Minutes. 7 minutes is the answer. I don't want to be all cheese. So the timer for 7 minutes. Olives and just a few of the jalapenos on it. Stuff. One of these baby ones.
Uh-huh. You want to try one of these on it?
Hmm.
Ounces.